Whenever you want to sort the values of a particular Pandas data frame, use the Pandas DataFrame sort values method. The first parameter of the sort values method is by, which can either be a string or a list of strings. The by parameter specifies the labels by which we want to sort by. The by parameter is used in conjunction with the axis parameter. If the axis parameter is set to 0, then the data will be sorted along the index labels. If the axis parameter is set to 1, the data will be sorted by the values of the columns. The Boolean parameter ascending specifies whether the data should be sorted in ascending order or in descending order. By default, it's set to true, which means that the data will be sorted in ascending order. If the inplace parameter is set to true, the operation will be performed in place. By default, the inplace parameter is set to false, which means that the method will return a new data frame. The kind parameter specifies which algorithm is used to perform the sorting operation. The sort values method relies on NumPy's sort method. By default, it uses quicksort. However, it can also use merge sort, and stable. The na_position parameter controls how not-a-number values are being handled by the sorting operation. By default, the na_position parameter is set to last, which means that all null values will be placed at the end. It can also be set to first, which means that all null values will be put at the beginning. If the ignore index parameter is set to true, the axis will be relabeled from 0 to n-1. By default, ignore index is set to false. The key parameter can receive a callable, that is, a function, that is applied to the values before sorting. It is similar to the built-in function sorted. By default, the method will return a data frame with sorted values, or none if the inplace parameter is set to true. Let's see a few examples. We first define a data frame with data, 4 columns, and 6 rows. We then proceed to sort the data. By column, call 1. As we can see, the resulting data frame will be sorted based on the first column. We can also sort by the first 2 columns, in this case call 1 and call 2, and we can see the difference between the two results. We can use the ascending parameter to sort our data in descending order based on the values of call 1. We can use the na_position parameter to put our non-values first. We showcase how we can use the key parameter to sort all the letters in column 4, regardless of whether they are in lowercase or in uppercase. Finally, we see how we can apply the key argument to use natural sort from the nat_sort package. If you found this video series useful, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. It will really help me a lot. If you want to stay up to date with my future videos, please subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I release new videos. Thank you.